this, has asked the question, perhaps we could find a small molecule that mimics the activity of this like super promising peptide therapeutic that has efficacy in all of these different disease models, from neurodegeneration to sepsis to ischemia reperfusion injury in the heart to IBS. Like this peptide had all of these really interesting efficacy uh, endpoints in animal models. And really the key unlock was, all right, if we can find a small molecule that mimics this peptide, has the same activity, we'll be able to turn that into a drug. We know very well how to turn small molecules into drugs. This is a well-trodden path, and the technology around peptides is newer. A lot of it's still in development. A lot of really good, interesting work happening there. But small molecules was the tried and true path, and you know, I got lucky. I used in silico modeling and screening to actually discover that small molecule called SC9, and that was published in 2023 in Nature Communications. So, as far as like IP, we can all talk openly about this. Is public knowledge. This research has been around for a long time, with P110 and now SC9. And so, yeah, where are we going to go from there? I guess is the big question. I don't want to ramble too long here, Brian. You take the reins. I'll ramble on this one for an hour, easy.
No, you're doing a great job. Like this is tying and weaving together exactly where I was hoping this was going to go. So that is fantastic. So so yeah, you've kind of taken the small molecule approach, and you've actually found an interesting pathway. So far, there hasn't been any success on this. What do you think stands out for what led you to this promising project right now that you've done differently that the industry hasn't done?
Well, yeah, like this project. What have we done on this project that industry hasn't done? Well, really, it's just this allosteric site, this new binding site that I just discovered. How we actually find these drugs and develop them is complex. It's a protein-protein interaction, which is